Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and just switching up gears here as I wait up for parts and whatnot. So just trying to stay busy. What I'm gonna do today is I need to fix the wiring for the power seats. They were cut and spliced together not very well, so I'm gonna address that issue today, and I'm gonna try to fit the seats and everything, make sure, see how I did when I welded in these seat post, and see if everything lines up. Hopefully it does. So I'm just gonna be working on the interior a little bit here. So I'm gonna flip you around here and show you this new carpeting. I don't think I've ever shown anybody it before. Here's the new carpeting I got for it. I got these cool T-Type logo Turbo 6 floor mats. It was like an extra 100 and I don't remember what it was, $160 extra on top of the carpet price, but they look awesome. So they're actually GM branded. They're not like knockoff, whatever. These are actual branded parts from GM, so that's really awesome. But yeah, where I'm going to be working, I got to work under the driver's side floor here. I got to lift this up, flip it over, and then get to the section down here, because that's where the seat sits, and I got to fix the wiring. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Here's a shot under the carpet here. I did opt for the optional sound deadening material. I know it adds weight, but I'm kind of going for comfort as well. So that's what I'm doing there. And here's the wiring for that power seat track. It was all cut up and whatnot. So this is pretty much how it was when I got the car. So, and then somebody had spliced in here. I think I'm the one who went ahead and did this repair here. Yeah, that looks like something I would probably do. So anyway, I'm gonna go back in and fix these. I gotta go find the wiring off that other car. I already took it out, so I just gotta go locate it. So I'm just gonna kind of show you what I'm gonna do here real quick. I have what's called shrink wrap, and I'm gonna slide it over the wire here and just have it hanging in here. And then once I solder these joints together with the other wire here, what I'll do is I'll slide that shrink wrap up over top of the joint, and then I'll just take a little lighter and I'm going to heat that up, and it shrinks. That's why they call it shrink wrap, and it gives it a nice moisture barrier and stuff and helps protect the joint. So that's what I'm going to do next. So I got the joint all soldered up here, and I got the shrink wrap loose here, and I got it, the repaired part, right in the center of the shrink wrap, so it's pretty even on both sides here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take my lighter and just lightly go over it, and start shrinking around the wire there. Right there. You don't want to go too much because it'll actually burn it, but just kind of like that. Back and forth. There it is, all repaired. So now I'm going to go take the seat track off of that old seat and see if it fits inside here.